Once again, I'm back with another tutorial on how to remove a password. Alright, today I got a phone. It's called a smart. I call it a smartphone. You know, yeah. So this is like a small phone. Yeah, a smartphone. It's an MTN Smart Phone. Yeah, it's a small phone, but here it has a password. So we are going to remove this password. Which method are we going to be using? Hard reset. So most of y'all don't know how to reset this small phone because it's not an Android. You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah. So let's get started. I'm going to remove the battery to make sure it's completely off. Alright. And then we're going to be using the keys to reset the phone. What are the keys we're going to be using? The power button and that little button on there. Yeah, I don't know if it's the right button or side. I don't know. But we're going to press those two, then we're going to release the power key and keep on holding that key you are seeing on the screen. Right. Now we're going to press 8 on the keyboard. Just like that. Now we are in the recovery mode where we'll be selecting the wipe data factory reset, and just press that center button and delete all whatever blah blah blah, blah that you're going to be doing. And now, as you can see, it's done. It's done, baby. It's done. It's done. It's done. So let's wait until the phone is on again, then we can see if we have successfully removed the password. Just wait a moment. Come on, little phone. Come on, smartphone. This is the real smartphone, guys. Yeah, man. Alright, you go set up your phone. Everything is okay now. Now you can use your phone again. Yeah. So thank you so much for videos like these. Subscribe to our channel, Vashumba, the channel, and make sure you never miss any video that we are going to be uploading. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Have you subscribed already? Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, the phone is done, baby. It's done.